The world will tell you to stay in your lane, to lock your dreams up and swallow the pain. They draw the boundaries, they draft the rules, building a kingdom for compliant fools. But there's a spark they can never contain, a surging current running through your veins. No static boundaries can hold back the flood. This isn't lightning, it's fire in the blood. Rise from the dirt where they want you to stay. Grab the controls and take their power away. You are the master, the king of the crown. No gravity left that can pull you back down. No ceilings to stop you, no floors to catch the fall. Just open space and you conquer it all. Conquer it all. Go! Flashback502, believe in yourself, anything you can do. The world is yours, there's no ceilings or floors, from seas to the unknown shore. The world is yours, from seas to the unknown shore. No ceilings, no floors.